Join me as I dive into the world of Tesla's AI and see if I can build a robot that can outsmart its own creator. Did you know Tesla's advancements in AI and robotics are shaping the future of technology in ways we could only dream of a decade ago? What if I told you their vision goes far beyond self-driving cars? Let's dive into how Tesla is revolutionizing the world of artificial intelligence and robotics. When you think of Tesla, you probably picture sleek electric cars and autonomous driving. But what many people don't realize is that Tesla, under Elon Musk's leadership, is transforming AI and robotics on a massive scale. Their goal? To create machines that can think, learn, and even move like humans. From self-driving technology to humanoid robots, Tesla is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Here's the challenge. Traditional robotics and AI systems are often limited by rigid programming and outdated designs. They're great at performing specific tasks but fail when it comes to adapting to real-world scenarios. That's where Tesla steps in. By integrating advanced neural networks, machine learning, and cutting-edge robotics, Tesla is creating systems that can evolve and improve over time, just like humans. Take Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, technology, for example. It's powered by one of the most advanced neural networks in the world, capable of processing billions of data points in real time. This AI system doesn't just follow preset routes. It learns from the road, other drivers, and even its own mistakes to become safer and smarter with every mile. It's not just driving, it's thinking. But Tesla isn't stopping at cars. Enter the Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, a humanoid robot designed to handle everyday tasks. With the same AI technology that powers Tesla's vehicles, Optimus is being built to walk, recognize objects, and interact with humans seamlessly. Imagine a future where robots handle repetitive or dangerous jobs, freeing humans to focus on creativity and innovation. One of the most groundbreaking moments came when Tesla showcased Optimus's progress during their AI Day event. Watching the robot walk across the stage, powered by Tesla's AI, felt like a glimpse into a sci-fi future, only it's happening right now. Elon Musk himself described it as a game-changer for industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. The implications are enormous. Tesla's innovations could redefine how we interact with machines, blurring the lines between technology and humanity. AI-driven robots like Optimus could help care for the elderly, assist in disaster zones, or even build infrastructure on other planets. Yes, you've heard that right, Tesla's vision goes as far as enabling humanity to become a multi-planetary species. But here's the exciting part. Tesla's advancements aren't just about creating cool tech, they're about making AI and robotics accessible to everyone. Musk envisions a future where these technologies improve lives on a global scale, reducing costs and increasing efficiency in ways we've never seen before. What do you think? Is Tesla's AI and robotics revolution a glimpse into a utopian future or something we should approach with caution? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out our next video exploring the latest breakthroughs in AI and robotics. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon to stay ahead in the tech revolution.